State versus Roy Gregory, 2014-161, 2014-207.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is there a change? There's a change of plea in this case?
There is, Your Honor, and for the record, I'm representing him on the new charges too, so that the Public Defender's Office can close their file and show no conflict there.
Okay.
And the plea to these charges here will also be incorporated in a Boone County case that will run with this. And I don't know how they're going to handle that.
Charge the judge will incorporate in this one when we get a chance to do that. We just want to file.
Court, but the cops are right now from Boone County.
All right. Now, he just told me, Ron, and sorry, that the police are here to transport to Boone County for a court appearance there.
They're at the jail now.
Well, it wouldn't be till tomorrow.
I'm sorry.
The appearance would not be until tomorrow.
Okay. Well,
in-
we can.
In circuit
I
court.
can arrange for that to be done over there then.
All right. Well, yeah. Thank you, Judge. I'm sorry then.
Mr. Gregory,
Yes.
you're about to enter a plea, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand what's going on here today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
At this time, are you under the influence of any substance, medicine, drug, whatever that would influence your ability to understand what's going on?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, I'm sorry, I'm looking at two police statements here. Have you gone over these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your signature on the police statements?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel you understand what's set out in these documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In case number 2014-161, are you entering a plea of guilty to theft of property, a Class C felony?
Yes, Your Honor.
In case number 2014-207, are you entering a plea of guilty to theft of property, a Class C felony, battery in the second degree, a Class D felony, fleeing, a Class D felony, criminal mischief, a Class D felony, and several misdemeanors, criminal trespass, theft of property, criminal mischief, resisting arrest?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is he entering the plea as an habitual offender?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. By entering the pleas of guilty to these crimes, sir, you're giving up your right to have a trial, and you also cannot appeal. Do you understand this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
There are recommendations in the police statements as to what your sentence should be. Other than that, have you been promised anything?
No, Your Honor.
Have you been threatened or pressured in any manner in order to get you to change your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty to these crimes, sir, because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
It looks like I'm looking at 14-161. Sir, on or about October 19th of last year here in Baxter County, were you in possession of a, or had you stolen a ATV?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that was stolen from a residence here in Baxter County?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, it looks like this is in 14-207, charges arose as a result of a traffic stop which occurred on or about August 16th of this year here in Baxter County. You were pulled over
Yes,
by
Your Honor.
an officer at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and what did he have in his vehicle that was stolen? Is this the
ATV, trailer loaded with a large crate with a ATV on it.
But it is a different ATV
Yes.
than in the other
Yes.
case?
Yes,
Is that right, Mr. Gregory?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, after being stopped, did you get into, did you What exactly happened? This is rather detailed, but
He got into a fight with the officer, firearm was discharged, and tried to flee from the officer,
okay, is this,
causing risk of injury.
is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me see if I need to add anything else. Okay. This time, sir, I'll accept your pleas and adjudge you guilty in case 2014-161 for theft of property. You'll be sentenced to 10 years in the Department of Correction. You're ordered to pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee, $411.32 in restitution. Case number 2014-207, you'll be adjudged guilty for theft of property, Class C felony. You'll be sentenced to 15 years in the Arkansas Department of Correction. For battery in the second degree, 5 years Department of Correction, 5 years for felony fleeing, 5 years for criminal mischief. On each misdemeanor, you'll be sentenced to 12 months in the Baxter County Jail. Those are run concurrent. You'll receive jail time credit for 45 days in this case. You pay $200 in cost, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee, a $1,000 fine, $3,336.07 in restitution. You'll pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after you're released from incarceration.
Yes, sir.
Anything
Yes, sir.
further, gentlemen?
No, that's it, Your Honor. It's a total of 15 years then on.
Yes, sir, that's correct.
He has a 15-year controlling sentence, all of them.
All of them run under that.
They're concurrent.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
May I be excused?
Indeed, sir, thank you.